print name by Django. Okay, so for that what you have to do is just create a folder in your desktop and go to that project folder, and here just type cmd. It will open the command prompt, and right here Django admin start project means Django admin, please start the project, and the app name or project name, suppose I am giving my project or app name app or app project. Now just click enter. What it will show nothing, but if you go in that directory folder by dir command, you will see there is my app name app. Now go to that app folder and use dir again. You can see there is the manage.py is present. By this we will run that command python manage.py run server. As my port number is not working properly in 8000, that's why I am giving some by default port number 127.0.0.0.1 and 7000. Okay, go to that server. Oh, it will take some time. Oh, now copy that and open any browser. Okay, I am opening here the Google Chrome. Let's give some time for that. Okay, now right here localhost 7000 and see, wow, the install worked successfully. Congratulations. Now what we have to do is, in the today's session we have to display our name on that port number or that server or that localhost. So what we have to do is, we have to go in that app. You can see in that app there is many files are there. Just create a new file and name it views.py extension. Okay, now open that folder by using Python or any editor. Just see the indentation problems so that it will not make issues by running time, because sometimes what happen, you are running the server but the name is not displaying, showing some error. So avoid that type of problems. Just go in that Python or any editor which will give you the proper indentation and makes your file right. So here in app you can go in this url.py and you can see here is written app URL configuration rules. If you can see the function views, you have to add an import, you have to add an URL patterns, you have to add from app views. Okay, so these are the common things that's previously defined, so that we have to add those things. Okay, if you click here, it will open automatically, and you can see here what are these present from django.contrib import admin, from django.urls import path. So they are telling django that by this command django.contrib, so that they can import a path, and they are also importing the admin panel. So now what you have to do is, in that URL patterns you have to define all the paths. What are the paths? Paths, that is the admin.site.urls. Okay, next path we will define here that we are going to include, and here for the views, just write what I am writing. Please do with me and make some comments after writing the code. I will explain you step by step, but first you have to write the code in your PC so you will not miss any type of updates. Just use the slash, that is not so important, but it will make more proficient while using these commands in the tool PyCharm. Now just write name equal to about. So you are mentioning in which path you are talking about. Okay, here views.index is going to link that path actually, so that this index name will be there in that views. We will discuss in some time after. And now okay, just check it and put a comma here, close the bracket, because these things are main if you want to print anything in your server. Now go to that views.py file, and here what you have to code is from the Django what you have to write here, dot http import http response. Okay, from Django http import http response. That is clear. Now def index of request. Okay, and the next one is return. What you are going to return? HTTP response. What we have to print by HTML tag here, h1. Suppose I am putting my name Sagnik Energy, or you can put Sagnik. Okay, or you can put your name also, no problem. Now just close that HTML tag h1. This is the heading tag which you already know for the HTML coders, and def about of request. Here return HTTP response. This is all about me, so about Sagnik Energy. Okay, now no need to put any commas, just look, everything is working fine properly what it is showing. Okay, it's showing some dictionary options also. Okay, let's save it by Control S. You can also delete all those things because these are the example purpose. No need to think about that. You can delete it, no problem. Okay, so that is the main path. Now just open again your CMD. You can write it by the PyCharm also, but here I am going to do it by this one. Okay, again, and just fire that command python manage.py run server, which is the port number 127.0.1 and colon 7000. Okay, hit enter. What it will show, it shows that the name views is not defined here. So what is the problem here? Line 7. So we have to see in that views. Okay, it is not views, it is view actually, but you can write also that, no problem. Now you can go here, you can see it is reloading and it is showing another something, name error, name view is not defined. Okay, so here what we have to do, we are not importing the views, so we have to import here the view. For that we have to write a short code again, the Django from dot import view. Okay, now if you can go again, so it is showing module app.view has no attribute about. Okay, because I wrote about. Okay, so I can convert it about, or just write view dot about. Okay, now again it will reload and see it is running now. Okay, if you can go here and refresh it, you can see my name is showing Sagni. Okay, little bit I want to add here more. I want to add here my name Sagni Banerjee, and this is for the requesting, and HTTP response is also there. So what are those things? We have to tell that. Just give a minute me, I am telling you what is what. Now what is the HTTP response? What is HTTP response? You can see in Django both type of things are there, request and response objects. So Django uses request and response object to pass state through the system. How the system will know that my name is there or in which position of my computer or my code. So this is the procedure. So when a page is requested, Django creates an HTTP request object that contains a metadata about the request. That's why HTTP response is used. Then Django loads the appropriate view passing the HTTP request as the first request to the view function. So each view is responsible for returning an HTTP object. So this document explains the APIs for HTTP request and HTTP objects, which are defined in the Django.http module. If you can go the documentation of the HTTP objects, attributes, schemas, bodies, post path, etc., you will see everything is present there. So you can go for more information in the documentation part of the Django and you will know more better than this. So today I am stopping here, and you guys don't forget to subscribe my channel and stay tuned with me so that you will miss not any type of updates. Okay, now what I need to do, I want to change here, I want to save it, and you can see my name will be changed. There is Sagnik showing, but it will show Sagnik Banerjee. Just wait a minute. Okay, I'm trying again. Okay, it's reloading but not coming. So what I have to do is, okay, here, okay, I'm stopping here, and to stop that run server, just put ctrl-c and it will stop the server. Okay, run the server again. Okay, it's fine, it's good. Now I am opening my Chrome again. Host 7000. You can see my name is there totally. So thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, because I am uploading in this time lots of videos that may be helpful for you and basically for the students who are learning in that environment, and Python, Django, or some coding areas. I also made some videos